Wave in the picture to Uncle Matt. Wave to Kira.
Hi, Kira.
Can you say hi?
Who's that? That's you.
That's Kira.
Hi, Kira. There's Kira.
Can you wave to Kira?
Wee.
Can you wave to Kira in the picture?
Where's Granny?
Oh, God.
Where's Granny?
Hi, Kira. Hi, Kira. Can you see me over there? I want you to smile so you can send that to Uncle Matt.
Happy Easter.